Someday, someone will walk into your life and make you say the three most dangerous words in the English language. I love you. I love you means that I love you for the way that you are, and that I do not wish to change you. I love you means that I will stand by your side no matter what. I love you means that I love you even when you are in a bad mood. It means that I need you constantly. But one day, everything will come to an end. Let's be honest, everything comes to an end. Nothing lasts forever. Humanity, all of us need change. One day, I'll see your stupid face and I'll wish we never met. I wish our lives never crossed. You know, when you meet someone and you fall in love with them and they fall in love with you, that doesn't happen all the time. And when it happens, you say, it was the destiny. Destiny wanted us to meet. We were meant to be together. But sometimes we push destiny way too far. Maybe, yeah, we were meant to be together, but only for that night. But we forced it, and the magic disappeared. This magic that was supposed to make you feel like you were in heaven, it felt like hell. Love, the most beautiful thing in the world, was destroying me. It wasn't love anymore. I don't know what it was. I just wanted to make it stop. And so I did. I made it stop.